Hey guys, if you saw my video about installing sway bar bushings, I mentioned that I was going to do a video on replacing the stabilizer links at the end of the sway bar and they go up to the control arm. And so today I'm going to use these TTX stabilizer links. They have polyurethane bushings. I'm going to install those because the factory ones and even all the aftermarket ones suck, except for these because they have the polyurethane instead of rubber. We do a lot of towing with trailers and things like that, and that puts quite a load on your car. So anyway, I'm going to get going on this. First thing I'm going to do is get the wheel turned on the Yukon here. Makes it a lot easier to access the link, which is right on the other side. So I'm going to turn this wheel to the right. And then I'll show you how to install this. There is a specific way to do it. You have to install it with this flat washer. They call it a barrel nut. They do that on top, and then the bolt with the nut is all the way at the bottom. So this is what I currently have going on in here. You can see this thing is loose. The rubber bushing is all falling apart. You know, it shouldn't be doing this. These things are junk. So I'm gonna try and replace it with this other unit that's gonna be a lot better. I'm gonna go get a 15mm socket and wrench and remove it. Check out all the junk that just came out of here. So obviously you don't want your bushing looking like that. And these other ones are okay, but this one is destroyed. So get this one in here, and hopefully everything goes well. All right, so what you're gonna have to do is start to take this apart. This is gonna go down from the top through the sway bar. And then these other pieces right here are gonna go between the sway bar and the control arm. So you're gonna have to take the bolt all the way through all this, and these parts are going to be on the bottom. All right, it's going to be installed like this. This is going to be in the middle. This is going to come up from the bottom. This is going to go through. You want to keep this black sleeve on there, and this part is going to drop down from the top. I don't really have enough clearance to squeeze the bushing in right here on the top. Sorry, right there where the washer is. I just set this in place right now with the top, but need to get another bushing right there. So I'm just going to go get a pry bar and kind of angle this thing up a little bit to give me the clearance I need. Okay, use the pry bar here to spread that apart so I get this on. And so now I just need to tighten this nut at the bottom and secure this bad boy up top, and we should be ready to rock.